Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The world is so wicked and deadly.
Ooh. Your face before the surgery. Your face before the incident happened. I got all this picture with the aid of your social media account, which you gave me. Yes. The acid caused a lot of damage. It was so horrible. So horrible that one could barely look at your face. All thanks to late Dr. Douglas, who conducted your surgery. He paid for everything. According to his story, he was on his way to Amici when he met this ugly incident. Before he could get close, the perpetrator had already run away. He searched and searched to find anyone who knows you. All efforts were futile because you've been on and off, mentally unstable. The trauma, the pain, everything you went through. It was Dr. Douglas's wish for you to recover and for your perpetrators to be brought to book. But death took away Dr. Douglas. And everybody at Paragon's hospital misses Dr. Douglas. Grace, I'm sorry I'm getting emotional. I want you to be strong. I know you've always you want to see your husband and your son. I've sent a message to his Instagram account, but no response. To all his social media handles, no response. I went to the address you gave me, but it seems they are no longer living here. But I believe and I hope and I know the Lord that kept you alive, He will make it possible. One day, bring you close to your family, to your husband and your son. That I'm very sure. Remember, I will always be here for you. If you need a shoulder to cry on, I will be here. Please be strong.
That's not true. What are you saying? How can you say you miss me? You miss me how? When did I leave? You're very naughty. It's fine. I believe you, okay? Alright, guess what? I am going to bring you things that we don't have over there. I'll get them for you. Yes.
No, I don't like video calls. Okay, you know what? I'll do snap and send. Snap and send, like immediately. No, I don't want. Don't call me video calls. I'm not ready for it. No, bye. Ah, it's a guy. Okay. Let's snap it.
Grace, the time of tears has passed. You should be grateful to God that you're still alive. And that is because you're a child of grace. You should acknowledge that. Don't worry. I believe that God that kept you alive will see you through. Please put yourself together and everything will be fine. I'm leaving for work. I've prepared breakfast, so go and have a shower and have some breakfast, then sleep. Did you hear me? If you want to speak to me, you can call me. Did you hear me? Grace, stop. Grace. Grace, I promise you that everything will be fine. Don't worry. I know God is on your side. And that God will see you through. Please, be strong. Okay? You'll be fine. Okay?
And it comes to pass. My name is Grace. I represent Grace. My name is Grace. I see Lord Grace. My name is Grace. I represent Grace. My name is Grace. My name is Grace. I represent Grace.
God, okay. I'm waiting a butcher cool. Oh, what's the meal? What can I say? God, this one go white. Very dirty like a village. This is original Maggie style. Original Maggie style. I will drive my.
Oh.
In-law, hey, husband material woman.
Mama?
I have been meaning to come and see you, Makalis.
Oh, you mean the car?
Yes.
What happened to it?
You will use it as a takeaway gift for me. Eh? Package it as a takeaway to me when I'm traveling back to the village. What is it? Eh?
You're funny.
Yeah. I don't understand this your smile. I water on here. Why is it that anytime I am talking about something that is very important, what is funny about you using one of the cars, especially this one? Send forth to the village. Huh? I don't like this your smile. I am beginning to see you as a stingy in-law. If you don't like our daughter that we packaged to you, if you want to go, let us package her out. Eh? How can I have a rich in-law and I'll be walking about everywhere in the village on a Legacy's Benz? The same house I was living in when I packaged my daughter to you is the same house I am living in now. Dash me this car. I'm only a in a village. Am I? Yes, I'm Maggie.
Mama? It's okay. There's actually a plan for you. Okay?
About the cow, yeah?
One step at a time.
Okay.
Okay? I am going to buy you a car. I promise. But do you even know how to drive? Do you know how to drive?
Who said I can't drive? Yeah. I can drive anything and I drive. I can even drive human being. Yes. I can drive trailer. I can drive lorry. I can drive 911. Oh, Chelo, sugar working on my conductor again. She didn't tell you that part. Unless you want to use it as an excuse. It's
okay. Mama, let's go. Paul.
Okay, the key.
Yeah, Paul will get the key for me.
Hey!
Paul!
What's my material, Mama?
Let Paul get you the key so that you can sit inside.
Trust me!
Paul!
Yeah, man, I get out of just one.
Paul!
Mama, I'm putting in here. What do you come on again? What can I do? Please go back. That is grace. Go back. Oh my God. What is wrong with you? Open your car. Oh my God, Grace! Oh my God. Grace, stand up.
up.
Chris, open your eyes.
Hurry. We need to take her. Grace. Oh my God. Grace. Drive. Let's go. Off and on, she has been ever since that ugly incident. Sometimes she wakes up like nothing ever happened, and sometimes she wakes up and everything starts all over again. I just pray and wish that Grace will be back and safe.
Come on. Of course she'll be fine. Of course she'll still come around. It's just a matter of time. Okay? Listen. All she needs now is someone around to take care of her and give her a sense of belonging. Yes. She is going to be fine. Sooner or later, all this becomes story to tell. I am very sure about it.
She's awake. Grace.
Sweetheart.
Don't be scared. She's not a stranger. We used to work at Paragon's hospital back then. But she didn't stay long before she traveled and left the country. A good friend she is. More like family. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay?
You're sure going to be fine, okay? It's okay. It's okay, sweetheart. It's okay.
Come here. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
No. Madam, I need to go again. Madam, I'm tired.
What happened with your ticket spot? Excuse me.
Madam, I'm tired. I'm not going again. Madam, what is this one now? Eh?
Need the tired.
I'm tired. I'm not going again, I beg.
Is this where I asked you to take me to?
Where did you ask me to take you to? Where did you ask me to take you to? We've gone to 3 previous places. We go to Mama Kitty's place. You keep me for outside. I wait. Nothing come out. You go Iweke's place. Nothing come out. You still carry me to Mr. Okoro's place. Now you don't carry me to go and that place where I don't know. You don't even tell me why they even carry you. They go sell. I don't understand. You wanted the villagers now today say you enter new keke. Huh?
Which one are you calling keke?
This one. Add money. You don't want add money. Eh? What's happened?
I want to tell the whole village I entered new keke. Thunder that will kill you. Eh? It's still somersaulting from Wadrijanabia. It is obvious you don't know who I am. Nonsense, I weigh him. This one, new. You don't know who I am.
Madam, who are you?
Mama Bomagi can personally buy this Gura 50 and dash it to you as Christmas gift. You might only buy my in-law. Hey! Odoguna Pempe. Husband material 100 years, 1,000 years in Kitolo can feed your whole family for 20th generation. And you are here insulting yourself. You're not insulting yourself, you're not insulting your mother.
I don't hear.
If I allow my hand, what am I going to
Very fine. How is my friend doing?
Very well.
I can see your face is getting brighter and brighter by the day.
You can say that again. How was work today?
work is as beautiful as your smile. Yes, that reminds me. I think I'll be having good news for you.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Tell me.
Today, I went to Divine's kitchen to get something to eat. I noticed that they are recruiting. Yes, they are taking new workers. And I was saying that, now you've been worried, you're bored and you want to get something to do and all. So I was thinking if, you go and apply. What do you think?
What do I think? Dara, thank you so much for this opportunity. Thank you. You're just simply the best friend ever. I swear.
Don't mention. So you apply?
Of course.
I'm so happy. That's what I want to hear. I want you to be happy. I want you to be doing things so that your body, everything will just...
You've done more than enough for me. Thank you so much.
It's okay. What are friends for?
So tell me, how was work today?
As beautiful as your smile. I'm happy you're coming back, Everything.
Thank you.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. What are you reading? Recognizing your potential. That's very good.
Really? Wait, Ben, how dare you? How dare you say that? Listen, my wife is the best chef ever in the entire world. Listen, if you taste my wife's food, you'll forget about your wife's food. My wife's food is called eat and forget your worries. Eat and forget your sorrow. Huh? In fact, what? Listen, presently she's making egusi soup for lunch. Why don't you come over with your entire family and have lunch with us? No, come taste my wife's food. You're there arguing with me. My wife cooks better than yours. Okay, that's fine.
Silent down.
Babe, can you imagine? I just got off the phone with Ben. He said his wife cooks better than you. I was like, oh, who does that?
Of course, who does that?
Exactly. Listen, I told him if he eats your food, he'll forget about his worries.
Of course, he hasn't really tasted my...
Exactly. So I told him to come with his entire family and have lunch with us. No, what's funny?
You're so funny.
What's funny? No, I told him you're presently making egusi soup for lunch. I told him to come with his family to have lunch with us.
True. Yes. Egusi.
Wait. Do you need my help in the kitchen? I was going to say that. Do you need my help in the kitchen?
No.
I hope you have all the necessary ingredients so I can...
Yes.
Huh?
Oh. Yes.
Wait, I need to help you.
Whether good or bad, whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
Sugar, you are finished. You just come and bury me. Sugar, you are finished. You are finished today. This is the end of your marriage. What do I do? Today is Sunday. This woman doesn't come out. Where do I get a goosey soup from? Where do I get a goosey soup from? Where do I... What do I do with this? pick up now. Pick up, Mama, pick up. Ah, no, the devil is a liar.
Whether good or bad, whether good or bad, whatever.
Mama, pick up your call now, eh?
Be careful.
Hey, what's up, man? Oh, sure, yeah. Alright, sure. Okay, cool. Alright, thank you. Bye. Babe, are you ready for us? Ben just called me. He's almost here.
Ben?
Yeah.
Oh! Ben! Of course. Ben! You're right, Ben.
Are you ready?
Wow. Just wow. Almost, yeah. Of course, I am, just trying to, I'm almost done. A little time.
All right.
Sorry, what time did you say they will get here?
They're almost here.
Like, almost?
Yeah. Are you okay?
I'm just, surprised, African man time. I mean, the cat's to time, which is, really, really surprising. Very surprising. I'm surprised. I'll just, go in there and check.
Paul.
Mama.
Paul.
Help.
Paul. Madam, good afternoon.
Don't worry, it's okay, you can go.
Okay.
Paul, go. Do you know how to cook egusi soup?
Ma?
Sir? What do you mean, ma? Didn't you hear me? Was I speaking Spanish? Imesi egusi soup. Listen, the reason I'm asking is because I might be traveling very soon. And I won't come back in time. I need you to be here to take care of my husband. Proper care of him. Make sure that he's okay. Make his food, especially his favorite soup, egusi soup. Listen, why I'm telling you this is that your job, even your life, depends on you knowing how to cook and take care of my husband. Like, you think it's to just sit down here, you balance, spread anyhow like malaria in my house, and be eating all my food and be getting fat. That's not the reason I brought you here.
Madam, you shouldn't be talking about getting fat, like skeleton.
No, please do this, just shut up. I'm asking you again. Do you know how to cook egusi soup?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Good. Now you are going to tell me how you're going to prepare my husband's food. Yes, because I'm going to score you based on that. Your job in this house depends on you knowing how to cook this soup I asked you now. Score. Ngwa, start talking.
Well, it depends on the one you want to cook, because egusi is two types. Egusi is two types. There is one for the rich and one for the poor. The one for the poor, they call it tabrikru. That's why the one you hold a body side and use spoon to sip the soup. And that one you use one cup of egusi with 10 liters of water. That one is for the poor.
Shut up. Does this look like a poor man's house? I'm telling you that you're going to prepare something for my husband. Does my husband look poor to you? Tell me how to cook a proper egusi soup. How do you cook a proper egusi soup?
Oh, the one you want to cook is bully. Is it bully?
Bully.
Okay. Madam, bully is egusi soup for the rich. The one that the rich people will be cooking here. And the smell will go as far as 6 kilometers from the kitchen where they cook them. That one you want to cook?
Well, that's not the type I really prepare, but that's the one I want you to be cooking for my husband.
Oh, na bully?
A bully. So tell me how you are going to cook it when I'm not around. Because I'm scoring you right now.
Number 1, madam. You buy one penta of egusi. You cook it with 2 cups of water.
One penta of egusi.
2 cups of water. Because
2 cups of water.
Because of thickness, it's for the rich, the thickness. So it will not be.
Oh.
Water no go down.
Okay.
Water no go down.
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. When you write sachet obroko. Sachet obroko. Sachet.
That's obroko in a sachet.
Yes, obroko. Sachet obroko. It's there. It's for the rich people. Sachet obroko.
Paul. Okay.
3. Dawa.
Paul.
Madam, dawa.
Don't cook the one that will kill my husband. Dawa.
They use dawa to cook it. Dawa.
Okay. Number 4.
Okay, number 4, hunger. Hunger kwa.
Paulo.
Madam, you don't know hunger. Hunger na the small sachet that they put in everything. Spaghetti, indomie, stew, tea, everything. Hunger.
You mean hunger?
Plenty, sweetie. Hunger.
Anyway, when I cook my husband's son, I don't put hunger.
Right, 5 for hunger.
5
hunger.
Okay,
number 5. Sugar, 2 packets. 2 packets sugar.
Paul. Sugar kwa.
Madam, you use sugar. Yes, because how can the rich be cooking and the poor cannot rest in peace in their house?
Okay.
Sugar must they involve or saccharin. If they sugar, they saccharin too.
Okay. It's sugar that makes it get to other people.
Boom.
Oh.
The taste is in the sugar.
You use 3.
3
packets.
The sugar, you got abaji. You put it in a bowl. If you put it in a bowl, you come pour hot water inside. You pour hot water and melt it. When hot water melts the sugar, you pour your meat. I don't know about sugar. That's where the taste today.
Okay, the taste will not be entering inside.
Yeah, I made the meat.
Oh, you're trying. I didn't know that you can't.
I did too much.
I don't used to use all those things. I think you know what you're
Sugar.
You're trying.
Then what does it?
Whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful. bad. Whatever you sow, you must reap it. Be careful.
Omemma
dangerous, so full of wickedness, envy and jealousy. Why do you try to take a life that you never ever made? The one.
Uncle Ben!
Oh, Jamal, how are you?
I'm fine, Uncle Ben.
Are you looking good?
Auntie, how are you?
How about your mom and your dad? Are they inside?
Yes, they are inside.
Alright, let's go inside.
Come, let's play. So which game are you playing?
Whether good or bad, whether good or bad, whatever you sow, you must reap it.
Hello, get the gate. Okay, ma.
Who's that?
Hey, madam. Na chief, oh.
What do you mean by chief?
Madam, you don't know chief. All those people where they cook plenty food for the event now. Where they fry.
Polo, you mean chef?
Yes, na them.
Hey,
Yes.
is that here? Chef?
Yes,
I sent for a chef. Person here? Oh, come. Let her in.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.
You surprised?
I am surprised.
That's okay.
Thank you.
Come in.
Oh, darling, come in. Come right in.
My uncle say make they go.
Huh?
My uncle say make you they come.
Oh, it's okay, darling. Come. I know you haven't seen an Eddie feast like this before, but it's fine. It's okay. Come in. It's okay, darling. You can come in. It's fine.
He's shy.
Shy.
Mm-hmm.
Show something.
Hey, come.
Come on, darling. Come in.
Come. The dogs are caged.
Okay. You know what? I'll just go and get her.
All right.
It's fine.